What if the most powerful tool for fat loss, while simultaneously protecting your muscles, isn't a pill or a powder, but a pause? Studies show that fasting for just 1 to 2 days can significantly increase human growth hormone, a key factor in muscle preservation. Some studies have even measured multiples of normal levels. But the real super effect happens even deeper. After a prolonged break from food, your body activates a process called autophagy. Think of it as your cell's built-in recycling plant. Damaged parts are broken down and reused. In animal studies and initial human findings, we see that this self-cleaning process increases significantly during longer fasting periods. This isn't a myth, it's a fundamental biological mechanism. Why do most of us never experience this? Because we live in a constantly fed state. Our bodies are ceaselessly burning the sugar from our last meal. Insulin remains elevated, signaling the body, store fat, don't burn it. Autophagy, our cellular cleaning crew, remains in standby mode. A 36-hour fast breaks this cycle in 3 phases. In the first 12 hours, the body empties its sugar stores. Between hours 12 and 18, the magic happens. The metabolic switch is flipped. Your body begins to produce highly efficient energy sources called ketones from fat. From about hour 18 onwards, your brain increasingly runs on this premium fuel. Many people then report clearer thinking and increased concentration. The choice is yours. Continue to be dependent on the sugar from your next meal, or teach your body to become metabolically flexible and use its own clean energy reserves. We need to clear up 2 myths. First, I will have unbearable hunger. False. The hunger hormone ghrelin rises briefly and then falls again. The body adapts. Second, this is dangerous. The moderate ketosis during fasting is a natural, safe state, not to be confused with the dangerous ketoacidosis in diabetics. Nevertheless, always speak with your doctor first before planning longer fasting periods. The plan is strikingly simple. Step 1. Plan your 36 hours. Drink only water, black coffee, or tea. Step 2. Persevere. The first phase is mentally the hardest. It gets easier after that. Step 3. Break the fast gently, with a small portion of bone broth or steamed vegetables to restart your system. This is more than just a diet. It's a metabolic reset. You are training your body to be a hybrid engine, efficient, clean, and resilient. You're activating an innate process that is linked to health, longevity, and mental clarity. As always, we wish everyone a long, healthy, and happy life. Until next time.